All right, folks, today I'm diving into a question that's more relevant than ever. Can you tell a human from AI? That's right, with AI becoming smarter and more integrated into our lives, it's getting trickier to distinguish between the two. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help you out. First up, let's talk about language. Humans tend to have a natural flow in their conversation, complete with slang, idioms, and sometimes even mistakes. AI, on the other hand, often sounds too perfect. So if you notice responses that are overly formal or just a bit too flawless, you might be talking to a bot. Next, consider the context and depth of the conversation. Humans can bring up personal experiences, emotions, and even have a laugh. AI, despite advancements, usually sticks to facts and often struggles with deeper emotional context. If your chat feels a bit dry and mechanical, it could be AI at work. Now, let's move on to speed. Humans take a moment to think and type their responses, while AI can respond almost instantaneously, especially in text-based conversations. If the replies are lightning fast, it's a telltale sign of AI. Another big giveaway is the ability to handle unexpected questions. Throw in a curveball or a random off-topic question. Humans might get confused or take time to answer, but AI often stumbles or gives a generic, out-of-context reply. It's a neat little trick to keep in your tool belt. And let's not forget about consistency. AI is designed to be consistent, even in its tone and style of writing. Humans, on the other hand, naturally vary their tone, style, and even their spelling or grammar at times. Look for those little inconsistencies. They can be quite telling. Lastly, check for source references. When discussing specific information, humans will often mention their sources or personal anecdotes. AI, however, may provide information without backing it up or cite sources that don't quite add up. If something feels off, it might be AI-generated content. So there you have it. These are some practical ways to distinguish a human from AI in your conversations. As AI continues to evolve, it's important to stay sharp and aware. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next video. 1.